Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff at Furry Elementary. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Well, we say it all the time that every day we come to school is an opportunity for us to grow and get better, which is why we say that an outcome we earn when we respond with discipline or respond above the line is that we're better today than we were yesterday. And we should strive to do the work to continue getting better each day. And every day we get to come to Furry Elementary as the Furry team gives us opportunities to do just that. Continue growing the best versions of ourselves. And now that we've reached the month of March, I'd like everyone to press pause and think about when we started school way back in August. What were you able to do? What did you know back in August? And what about now? What more can you do now here in March? What skills have you built? What knowledge have you gained? What can you do now that you wouldn't have been able to do back in August? And why is that? How come there are words you can read, math problems you can solve, or you've built more courage to speak in front of your classmates? Well, it's because you've been taking advantage of the opportunities that we get by coming to Furry Elementary every day. Everyone has to continue doing the work each day to build on each skill over and over and over again. And that's how we get to where we are now. And if we decided way back in August and every day after that we were not going to do the work to get better every day, we just didn't care, didn't try, well, then we'd only be able to read as well as our August selves could read. We could only solve math problems our August math brain could handle. We would be the same versions of ourselves. And that's why we bring it up to do the work every day. That's why we talk about the opportunities that every day brings. We want to get to the end of the year in June and look back to where we are right now today, right here in March. And our goal is to be at the end of the year and then know that we can do so many things then that right now we can't quite do yet. So keep doing the work. Keep being intentional and being above the line every day. The best version of you can grow every day, and you'll be able to accomplish anything you want if you continue to do that over and over and over. And that's what we call living the pirate way. And now will everyone please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Pirate Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Furry Elementary School, we work to build trust so we can count on each other. We own our responses and take responsibility for our actions. We work to connect as pirates and support one another. We learn the pirate way so we can be the best versions of ourselves. All right, thank you, everyone. Today is Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. For lunch today, we'll have popcorn chicken, cooked carrots, pears, vanilla goldfish. The alternate sandwich is either a turkey and cheese or a peanut butter and jelly. We don't have any birthdays to celebrate at Furry today, but we do have an academic congratulations this morning. We want to say congratulations to kindergarten student Daniel Adams for finishing Fluency Pack number 2, and he's in Miss Du Bois's class. Well done to Daniel for doing the work to earn his academic congratulations. And now we'll take that moment to just press pause and get our minds right before we start this day. And remember, we're pressing pause and reflecting back to and thinking back to where we were way back in August, and then think about where you are today and how much better you are today and how many more things you know today. So what do you want to be able to do by June, by the end of the year? How much more do you want to know? How much more do you want to improve? Let's go ahead and get our minds right with how we're going to do the work here starting today. We'll go ahead and first start by breathing in for 4, then hold for 4, breathe out for 4. All right, very, very good, boys and girls. I do not have any other announcements for you this morning, so let's just keep doing the work to build trust, to own, and to connect, and let's make it a great day, Furry.